Hi Super Learners, today we're going to do a dinosaur fossil dig. Let's get started. Okay, we unboxed it. Now let's open it. Whoa. There's a hammer, a nail, and a shovel. So let's start off with the first one. We have a jelly fossil, a sand fossil, a clay fossil, and a rock fossil. We're going to put this on, and then we will start with this one. I'm going to put it on, and then we're going to stop. I know. These are the directions, and these are the fossils we might find. Let's get started with. We're going to start with the clay one. Let's see what fossils are inside of this. It gets pretty messy, so you have to cover it. You have to be patient, it gets very messy. You can see a little piece right here. Let's get digging. We can see it. Oh, that was awful. It gets very windy. Have safety goggles. It's good to use. This is going to be handy to clean your fossil. You can see it a little. Camera's too blurry. It's almost gonna come out. Oh, come out. It's coming out. Use the head. The fossil is right here.
What type of dinosaur do you have?
Triceratops.
Tell them again.
Triceratops. Now we opened it, and now let's open it even more. I'm gonna get it out. We found one. And found it. There's another one. That was all of this with the sandal. You can also use the box to contain your mess. Now we do the jelly one. let's start. Oh, just...
Tell them.
I feel it a little, guys.
What does it feel like?
A toy.
Does it feel squishy, the jelly? Is it cold?
It's cold and squishy. Oh, I found a piece. I found a lot and then I found it. Right here.
Whoa, what kind of dinosaur is that?
I don't know.
Let's do some research.
Let's do some research. The jelly is kind of fun to play with.
What does it feel like?
Jello?
Is it like slime or
Slime.
feels like slime?
It is very cool. It smells like slime. It smells like slime. So far we found a dinosaur, a fossil, a rock, and a tube. With digging with me and science is super fun.